guys, it's Ariel. So I have something very, very important to talk to you guys about today. I just wanted to let everyone know that I am straight. Take a moment to sink that in. Yeah, you see how pointless that is? You don't need to announce that, so why do you need to announce that people are gay or bi or pansexual or asexual? Why do you need to announce it? Who cares? I just was thinking about this because people are making such a big deal over Lucas Cruikshank or whatever, Fred. Everyone knows who Fred is. Some love him, some hate him, but some people are making such a big deal about it because they're convinced that he's gonna get kicked off of Nickelodeon. Frankly, I thought he was already kicked off of Nickelodeon because the whole Fred show kind of sucked. The movies were boring to me. And then that Marvin show, I don't even want to get started on that. But people made such a big deal out of it, and then like my mom mentioned it to me, and she was like, that Fred guy that you used to really like came out, and I'm like, oh, he's gay? And she's like, yeah. I'm like, I didn't know that, but I'm not surprised. And then he made a point in the video to say to his friend, is like, when are you going to make a video announcing that you're straight? And she's like, I'll do that later. And then I was like, you know, that spurred a whole conversation with my mom and I about how it's so stupid that people need to come out, but that nobody comes out as straight. It's like, why is that considered normal, but anybody that isn't just man, woman isn't normal? I'm like, fuck normality. Who cares? Be whoever the fuck you want to be. And honestly, no, scratch that. Not be whoever the fuck you want to be. Be whoever the fuck you are. Honestly, it's like, and I hate hearing people say, oh, being gay is a choice. It is not a choice. Did you choose to be straight? No, you didn't, so shut the fuck up. I don't know, I just felt like making this video. So I support anybody being themselves. If you are not being a horrible, shitty person, like killing people and raping people, doing shit like that, stealing candy from children right in front of their faces, if you're just being yourself and not being a shitty person, then I say go for it. I will support you until the end. Hopefully you guys agree with me. If you don't, I really don't give a shit right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye.